Good morning students. Hope you all are well. As in the last video, we learned about the First World War and ended up with the question that who was the ray of hope for the people? The name that filled light in the lives of people was Mahatma Gandhi. The Indian freedom movement gained momentum with the coming of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, later known as Mahatma Gandhi. He emerged on national scene in Jan 1915. He had successfully tested novel idea of non-violence and anti-colonial struggle in South Africa. He fought against racial discrimination in South Africa. In this topic, we will discuss how Gandhian tools such as Satyagraha and non-violence shattered the confidence of mighty British Empire. In Jan 1915, Mahatma Gandhi infused a new life into Indian freedom movement. He has successfully used Satyagraha and non-violence for mass agitation. Here I use the word mass agitation. Students, it means a movement in which a large number of people from whole world participated. So let's start with the topic Satyagraha. Satyagraha is made up of two words, Satya plus Agra. Satya means truth, Agra means appeal for truth. Thus it means following the path of truth and non-violence to attain freedom and fight against injustice. Students, here are some principles of Satyagraha. Number 1. Idea of Satyagraha emphasize the power of truth and need to search for truth. Number 2. According to this, if our fight is against the injustice and the cause is true, then we don't need to use physical force. We can win the fight by non-violence. Next one. A true Satyagrahi can win the battle by just making the oppressor realize what is right and wrong, such as appeal to the mind of oppressor. Here, oppressor means a person who is very cruel and want to rule on all. Next one. According to Gandhiji, Satyagraha is a weapon of strong people, as there is a need to have patience and only strong people have these characteristics in them. So, according to Gandhiji, this dharma of non-violence could unite all the Indians. Now just recap what we learned now. Gandhiji successfully organized Satyagraha movement in different parts of India. First movement. In 1916, he visited Champaran in Bihar, where Britishers used to force workers to cultivate cash crop called indigo, which was a popular dye used by textile industries. The sale of indigo earned British the huge profit in the international market. So peasants could not use that land for any other food crop. This led to shortage of food grain. So Gandhiji fought against this oppressive plantation system. Next one. In 1917, Gandhiji traveled Kheda district in Gujarat. There was poverty and social evils in these villages. People were demanding waiving of taxes. In Kheda district, British government made the matter worse by increasing the taxes. Mahatma Gandhi along with Vallabhbhai Patel organized a satyagraha against the tax burden. Next one. Another satyagraha movement organized by Mahatma Gandhi in 1918 in Ahmedabad to support the demand of cotton mill workers. The dispute developed when mill owner refused to give the facilities to the workers for working during the plague epidemic. Seeing this, Mahatma Gandhi organized a movement in Ahmedabad. The result was that mill owner granted 25% increase in salary along with medical and educational benefits. This success paved the way for the development of national movement in future? Now I am showing you a map where these Satyagraha movement took place. Number 1, Champaran in Bihar. Number 2, Kheda district in Gujarat. Number 3, Ahmedabad. Now just have a recap of this topic.